How to auto scroll on Instagram Reels. So, auto scroll is a new feature that Instagram is rolling out slowly to phones. So, you want to make sure that your app is completely updated. So, you can go over to your app store, go ahead and go to search, and let's just type in Instagram and make sure that your app is completely updated to the newest version. So, mine is currently updated to the newest version. So it may still not be on your phone. You may just have to wait. So if you do have it, what we can do is come out of the App Store, go to Instagram and go to Reels on the far right side here. And you see I have a reel here. I'll have this play here and it's playing. And typically with a reel is it will play and then it will auto play that same reel back and forth. But if I were to hit pause on this and you see the three dots at the bottom right hand corner here, that'll have some options here and you should see it automatically on Instagram. It'll say auto scroll, so we'll just toggle that on. So then if we go back to the reel, and then it will just automatically go through and it'll auto scroll to the next Instagram reel. So I will actually make this at the very end here, and then it will auto scroll. So if I were to pause this and then bring this ticker all the way to the far right side, it'll just keep going. So we can just keep on doing that and it will automatically auto scroll on your Instagram Reels. What you can do is, if you don't want that feature anymore, you can go to those same three dots and go ahead and toggle the auto scroll off. And that's it. That's how you would use auto scroll on Instagram if your Instagram currently has rolled it out onto your phone.